6 simple exercises for manifesting. If you do it correctly, you will be shocked at how much money comes into your life. Save this video for later so you can come back anytime. 1. Accept your deservingness. Believe in your worthiness to manifest what you desire by giving yourself permission, thinking about it with feeling, and taking action with intent. 2. Form your intention. Deeply desire and imagine having what you want, letting strong emotions like excitement and happiness motivate you to work towards it. 3. Believe in attainment. Combine desire, intent, and motivation to wholeheartedly believe that you can achieve your desired object, embracing the happiness and pride it brings. 4. Maintain a positive attitude. Sustain unwavering belief that your desire is on its way, never questioning how or when it will happen, and keeping faith in its inevitable arrival. 5. Show gratitude. Enhance the law of attraction by expressing gratitude for what you have and the unseen power working to bring your fervent desire to fruition. 6. Be open to receiving. Prepare yourself to receive by making space in your life and being ready for your desire to manifest in various ways. Drop a 100 if you read this far. This shows you are part of the 1% who actually finish this affirmation. And don't forget to follow us for more daily affirmation videos.